Hey.
Hi. You okay?
Not really. My mom was in a car accident.
Oh my God. Wait, when did this happen? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's lucky. Could have been a lot worse.
She was in Montecito.
Yeah. It's pretty screwed up, though. She said that she felt like someone was trying to run her off the road. I can't believe somebody would do that.
Yeah, me neither.
Anyway, you said you had something to tell me?
Yeah, I thought I'd be able to talk about it, but...
But what?
Right now, it's not really a good time.
I don't understand. First, you tell me that you're hiding something from me. And now you're saying that you can't tell me what that is.
Caleb, it's nothing. Really.
Hannah, I understand that when you lied to me last year, you were trying to protect me. But there's no more A. So why are you lying to me now? Is this about Mona?
No.
Then what?
Can we just drop it? Caleb, where are you going?
I can't do this anymore.
Can't do what?
This. I feel like you've been pushing me away for weeks. And I keep hoping that things are going to go back to the way that they were. But clearly that's not going to happen.
You just gotta be patient with me right now.
Hannah, I have been nothing but patient with you. I feel like I only exist in half of your life. And that's not good enough for me. You have to give me something here. More silence. Great. I'm done, Hannah.
Wait, what do you mean you're done? Are you breaking up with me?
You're not really giving me much of a choice, are you?
Either throw away all the garbage in my life, happiness will come to me.